Hello everyone, it's Taneesha here, and today I have a Preloved Kilo vintage clothing haul. I've done one of these before and I'll leave the link in the description below. I got the 1 kilo mystery box. I got really excited when it came a few days ago, so it is already open. I know what's in it. I'm just going to share what's in it and do a try on for you as well. I'm going to save my favourite item for last because oh my gosh, I absolutely love it. It fits me to a T, literally. The first thing that was in the package was a Nike t-shirt. It is grey with an orangey red tick. It says just do it on. I'm pretty sure you've seen these before, like back in the day. I got the medium box because if it is like a male's medium, then it will fit me definitely. I don't mind things that are oversized, but getting a small is kind of a risk. I have long, lanky arms. This is basically brand new. I feel like, did anybody actually wear this? Basically brand new. The second thing is a shirt. I love shirts. My wardrobe is basically 50% shirts at this point. And this is a green Barber flannel shirt. This is basically my favourite shade of green. And yeah, it feels really nice and soft. Oh, and the inside, I didn't notice, it's kind of like corduroy texture, like corduroy trousers. That's what it kind of feels like. But yeah, this is quite nice. Not as oversized as I personally would like, because I have a lot of shirts that are like large, extra large. But it's still quite nice, and tied up, it will still look really cute. Also, one thing I've noticed that when things have been worn for longer, the buttons are really easy to undo and do up. But this one, the buttons are really tight, so I feel like this has just been bought and dumped. Which is why, buy secondhand and vintage. I will be saying that forever, unless like you're buying something like super high quality that's gonna last forever, then do that. But I have a problem with fast fashion, basically. Like, I bought this new, but I will have it forever, and if I get bored of it, it will just be like a house t-shirt. The third thing out of 4 in the box was this Adidas zip-up jacket. Look how shiny it is. It looks basically new as well. Like, for the price, it was very good. I don't actually have any like this. I like my jacket. I actually don't have anything like this, so I think it would be nice probably for spring and summer, because I get cold very easy, and these kind of jackets are not for winter at all. I've just thought this with a crop top or like cropped vest in summer with shorts. I'm just thinking of outfits already. And finally, the best thing ever, it will fit very nicely into my shirt collection, is this patterned shirts, like, I absolutely love this. At first I thought there's like loads of little dots in it. I thought it was like the material where it is like breathable, but it's just part of the pattern. And yeah, look at that beautiful pattern. I know some people might not like this kind of stuff, like the ugly patterns, like ugly jumpers. I have an ugly jumper here. I've had this for quite a while, but I love these kind of things. This, oh. I usually don't have like long sleeve shirts, so I rolled it up for the try on. I usually have things that are shorter sleeve, but I think this rolled up and tied, oh, it's gonna be beautiful. Bon appetit. I don't know why I said it like that. That was everything in the box. I got the normal one. They did winter ones, but I have a lot of jumpers and stuff already, and I kind of wanted to try and get more items, like for a bigger range. So a 1 kilo box with 4 items in, that's pretty good. That shirt, I cannot get over it. The last one, I don't think I got I did get a shirt, but not like my go-to kind of shirts, like patterned. It's still quite nice and it's in my wardrobe still. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you like pattern shirts. That is the question of the video. Do you like pattern shirts, and how many do you own if you have them? Subscribe, hit that notification bell. All my social media links and stuff like that will be in the description below. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!